Hey guys, today I want to discuss our two types of MAXTRAX brackets that we've designed. One of them is our MAXTRAX Load Bar Brackets. Now, these are designed to fit onto load bars. It's an adjustable slotted bracket where you can adjust your upright pins. Now, these are the pins that would attach or go through MAXTRAX or various other tracks or recovery boards because they are adjustable. So to give you an idea, they're mounted up there. They can also be adjusted on our load bars in and out as well. So you can fit, let's say, a short set of MAXTRAX or a standard size like these. So these take up to 4 tracks in total. And I'll just use, here's all 4. And this is to fit generally on top of the roof of our tents. So attached onto the side frames of the tents as well. Nice big washer basically there, and an easy to get on and off butterfly nut or wing nut on there. So I'll do that. Now this can also be, when you want to fasten the tracks on, because there are the additional holes, you can always run a cable and padlock system as well to actually lock the tracks into position to just stop that, from theft and so on. So just spin that on there, nice and easy to get on and off. So that's the one to accommodate up to 4 tracks on top of the roof, on top of the load bars. Now, the second one that we have is the one that's actually mounted onto the tent. So as you can see here, upright position, or you can actually turn them downwards as well if your tent was mounted higher, so on a higher roof rack or on the back of a trailer. Also giving you adjustability there. The pins themselves, like on the load bar one, is also adjustable to accommodate various tracks. In this instance, also accommodating up to 4 tracks, and you can position it further backwards or forwards, depending on your amount of side entry that you want on the tent as well, or which side you're entering your tent. So this is pretty straightforward. Now, as you can see, we love our MAXTRAX. They get used often and always handy, so go on there. Now that's just 2 of them to just show as a demonstration, but effectively the same situation there with the big body washer. So whether you want 2 or 4, it's really your choice on how many you put up there. Nice, easy on, and we'll do the same on this. Now it has got the 4 locking pins, so just so I don't bore you guys at home, we're only going to be putting 2 of them on, but effectively you would go generally tighten up all 4 of them on like such. Nice, easy on and easy off. The nice thing with having the MAXTRAX on the sides of the tent like this is that you can actually get to it very easily. So imagine up on the vehicle, you can reach in, get them on and off. If they're muddy or dirty, it's not really going to interfere with anything. They kind of just sit there out the way. The other advantages, for example, to have it on the roof is that you can have all your gear up there. You can add on solar panels to the front and really make a complete camping system, as you don't necessarily use the tracks very often. So that's for that. Now, as far as setup of the tents go, this doesn't interfere at all. So I'll just show you quickly. So on the Black Series, it's pretty simple. And then the gas struts will lift it up and take it the rest of the way. So that's up there, out of the way. And on the Alpha tent over here, just so that you can see, we've designed the actual mounting brackets to clear the gas struts on the side. So nice strut comes away from the brackets all the way up, still giving you heaps of entry space in this situation. So this is generally the configuration that I'd run on the side, so you can still access the side door. Guys, thanks for watching the video. For more information, go to our website at thebushcompany.com. Catch you later. Don't forget to go bush.